Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just a quick little get ready with me that's like a toasted look using the Toasted palette. So first I'm going to start out with my eyebrows, and I'm using the Anastasia Brow Wiz to just fill in those brows, and I'm using the chocolate Brow Wiz pencil. Then I'm going in with my Maybelline Fiber Volumizer in dark brown just to give some volume to my brows. Next I'm going to prime my eyelids with my Urban Decay Primer Potion. And then I'm going in with Cashmere from the Toasted palette just to act as my first transition shade. And then I'm going in with Cashmere and Latte into the crease. Next, using Smor, I'm just popping that in the crease just to lighten it up a little bit. It was just a little too dark for me. Then on the lid, I'm going to use the shade Sunset. I actually wet my brush first to make the shade pop more. I just did not show that on camera. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Fireside just to line my upper lash line to give that effect of eyeliner. Now moving on to my face, I'm using my Hard Candy Sheer Envy Hydrating Primer Mist. Then I'm going in with my e.l.f. concealer and highlighter. I'm just concealing my under eyes, my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and my forehead. And I'm also highlighting in these same areas. And I'm just going to blend everything out with my Eco Tools sponge. And now onto foundation. I'm using my CoverGirl Healthy Elixir foundation, and I was running out of this. I was using the pump to apply it to my face, and to blend it all out, I'm using my Eco Tools sponge. Next, I'm just going to kind of contour and bronze my face using the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I am just using all three of the contour shades so I can just get rid of them. Next, I'm going in with my Milani Baked Blush in Dolce Pink. And then to highlight today, I'm using my e.l.f. Illuminating palette, and I'm just using that pink shade, the coppery shade, and then that like taupey shade. And then I'm just using a L'Oreal sponge to just melt the highlight into my skin. Next up, I'm just going in with Cashmere and Latte, the two shades that I used in the crease, and I'm just going to run this on the lower lash line. Then in the waterline, I'm going in with this NYX Wonder Pencil. Then for mascara today, I am using the Lancome Monsieur Big on my top lashes. And then on my bottom lashes, I'm using the Maybelline, the Falsies Push-Up Drama. And I'm also using that to kind of separate the top lashes as well. And then for lips today, I'm using the Balm Meet Matte Hughes in the shade Committed. And that is it for this quick little get ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, just give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
We